Hey y'all, it's tea time
with CJ and Cori.
Hey y'all, today I am making one of the most delicious summertime iced teas that I've made so far. Y'all, it was so good. And actually, I'm getting started by making some ice cubes out of tea so that when our ice starts to melt, it doesn't dilute the flavor, it just makes it better. I'm steeping some rosehip tea and I'm gonna let that cool. And before we get it into our molds, I'm gonna add in some pineapple puree and a little bit of honey. Cori, do you want to come mash up the pineapple?
Yes, please.
Come on.
Pineapple juice comes out. Oh my gosh, it's so slippery.
It's serious business.
Guys, so this is the result. Like, this is so liquidy. Like,
Liquidy.
liquidy. I can't say liquid. Guys, I'm sorry. I can't get anything out my brain. So, look, guys. It's like, it's time for cooking.
But I don't think it got delivered just yet. Okay, and here is where things kind of stray away from my original plan. Cori saw these pink sprinkles in the cabinet, and we've seen the videos where they add edible glitter or sprinkles to drinks, but I was pretty sure this wasn't the right kind and it would just dissolve, but I went ahead and indulged her request anyway. And we ended up making enough tea to make 2 trays of ice cubes. So I decided to make the other tray this pretty rose tray. And we've actually already used these cubes to make a really pretty girly afternoon drink with these ice cubes and some Olipop. The tea that we're using today to make our iced tea was gifted to us from Plum Deluxe. They're a hand-blended tea company, and they sent Cori and I over all caffeine-free herbal tea blends to enjoy during our tea time. Today, we're going to be using the Pineapple Pop Herbal Tea. It has a green rooibos base and pineapple bits, apple bits, a little rose hip, mango. Oh my gosh, just so many good things. This tea was so pretty and fragrant. I could smell it through the package. I'm gonna brew our tea and let it steep for about 6 minutes, and then I'm gonna remove our tea leaves and let it sit and cool down before we make our iced tea. Okay, and the day kind of got away from us and our tea had plenty of time to cool down. So I'm going to make some glasses for me, Cori, and brother, and we're going to sit out on the deck and enjoy our tea. Our ice came out a little wonky, but they still work. There you go.
With CJ and Cori.